Hey, hello everyone. Today I want to demonstrate how to run a HA Mosquitto MQTT broker service based on Longhorn AH. So before that, let me introduce myself. I'm David Cole, and Senior Engineering Manager of ECP E&I at SUSECON. So in this demo, there will be several steps we will walk through. The first step, we will create K3S cluster. But actually, I already created a cluster to save demo time. The second, we will deploy Longhorn with several features enabled. One of that is the data locality. So data locality can make sure the data along with the workload itself to improve the workload performance. This is quite important for the edge application. The final step, we will deploy the HA MQTT broker service. We use a Mosquitto. It's a Apache uh, solution, open source project, and we will leverage a Longhorn as a storage provider for it. So yeah, so let's get started. So before that, I want to show you the cluster already there. It's a one master and two working nodes for this demonstration. I also prepare a script, so we can run through each step I mentioned before to save the time to see the point. So first, we will install the Longhorn and enable data locality. So basically, we will leverage a Helm chart installation. We add the Helm repo for Longhorn and do a repo update. Then later, uh, yeah, that's where it's good. We create a namespace for the Longhorn system. And finally, we will install Longhorn with the data locality enabled. There are several, actually for that, the best effort is what we will choose to use. And you see, a Longhorn is get installed, but that does not mean it is ready. So we can take a look the status. We use a KCS for the monitoring purpose. So you will see in the Longhorn system namespace, there are several workloads running there. It's getting started, and some of them is container creating. So you will take some time. You see, take example, there are some engine image parts ready to serve the instance managers, engine and replicates. And also there's several workloads like the instance manager, engine and replicates. And also there's a one driver deployer you will see. And an important part is the CSI no CSI plugin and the Longhorn manager. So let's wait a second. It will take a few minutes to finish. Okay, so before it finish, we can start to deploy the MQTT broker first. So MQTT broker, we use the Mosquitto. So start with the two replicas and leverage RWX the volume. So RWS volume is supported by Longhorn as experimental feature, but it can prove how it can be used at edge. So let's get started to deploy the broker service. So first, let's add the Helm chart repo, and later we can install the Mosquitto, and with several configuration, like we enable the persistent true and have some access more for the persistent, like rewrite many. Okay, so let's back to the console. Uh, you see, all the workloads, Longhorn workload is running, and also you see one of them is a share manager PVC. This is part serving the RWS storage service. So you will get create. So that means the corresponding persistent volume and also the claim, the persistent volume claim is already created. So let's see, because Mosquitto broke service is installed in the default namespace. So let's see the namespace. Okay, the two workloads here, because we set the replica count is two, so you have two workload. So it will take some time to finish. Yes, you see, it's a running. So we can better see the PVC is also created. And if you go to the Longhorn system to check the volumes, see there will corresponding volumes here. And if you check the replicate, you have 3 replicates because by default the replica count is 3 for each volume. So let's back to the step. So let's just check the mosquito pod status first. We'll get the deploy mosquito, and you will see there are two replicates is all available, and also we check the pods is running correctly. And later, what we need to do is double check that all the volume work well. So we check the PVC used by mosquito workloads, and to see the corresponding PV persistent volume created, and also have a corresponding Longhorn volumes and related to replicates created correctly and have a successful status. So let's see. You will see the mosquito, the wallows here, and we can use this to filter the PVC they use, and later we can get the corresponding the PV to understand, and also corresponding volumes here is already attached by Longhorn, and also you will see the replicates created here. This is a way we can leverage the RWX using at the edge, and also some kind of service is very useful at edge, like edge gateway or even edge device, especially like this mosquito service is like message service. So you can bring up highly available the message service to serve the edge device and another edge gateway to communicate each other, and based on Longhorn system. So this is the idea to share this demonstration to everyone. So it's great to share this demo. If you have further question, feel free to contact me. And if you have any further further question, try to understand, go to join our community. We have a dedicated Slack channel to come to ask question. Feel free to ask any question. So great. I think that's it. This is for today's demo. Happy to be here and see you. Bye.